In this video, I'm going to be showing you the new DJI OM4, taking you through its features and explaining how it can help you improve your photo and videos. If you don't know what this is, it's a phone gimbal. It's a tool which allows you to balance your phone so that you can get like really smooth shots. It can also act as a phone stand, so you can put your phone on it, get some selfies, or maybe do a video where you're just talking to the camera. So that's what a phone gimbal is, and I'm gonna take you through this one's features. So I'm gonna go straight in. I'm gonna open the box and show you what you get inside. So when we open the box, we're greeted with the message, create magnetic moments. And I think that's got to do with the fact that this gimbal has some magnetic components, which is different from the last one. So we'll just lift that out. And straight away, we're greeted with the gimbal. The magnetic phone clamp. I think this is some backing, and also the stand, which is very important. You also get a charging cable, which is Type-C, and I think that's everything. Let's see what comes in this box. You get a lovely carrying bag for it, and the strap. You also get, okay, so you get your instructions manual. All right, cool. So we'll put that to the side because nobody reads instruction manuals. My initial impressions of the gimbal is that it's quite small compared to the ones I had in the past. So I had one from a different brand called Zhiyun, and it was just, it wasn't foldable like this. It was just a big tall structure. Ooh, hello. So if I pop that on my phone, I'll see if this has got any power. This is the on button, and it should do something. We'll go through the benefits. The first benefit is magnetic convenience. So on the last one, if you got a phone call, for example, like I just did, you'd actually have to take the whole phone out of the clamp. With this one, you just pop it off. There you go. You can answer your call, do what you need to do, and then pop it back on. Benefit number two is the fact that it's very portable compared to the previous ones, and it's foldable. I don't know how to do it, but we'll do it together. I'll turn it off. I'll take my phone off. And then I think you fold it like this. And like that, that's it. And then that will naturally go in the bag, and you're ready to carry it around, mate. The reason why I didn't carry my last one around so much is because it came in a big box. It wasn't foldable, it wasn't portable. And because of that, I just didn't have the motivation to carry it around and actually make any videos with it. So I think with this one, hopefully the fact that it's portable will make me want to take it around and actually use it. Okay, so the third benefit is the fact that this thing gives you very smooth videos, which is a no-brainer because that's what it's meant for. I'll make some samples now, and then you can see how smooth the videos are in comparison to making videos without one. So the final benefit is the fact that this gimbal has Active Track 3.0. What that is your ability to put the gimbal down, put the camera on yourself, and the camera will actually follow you. So if you go left, the whole gimbal will look left and just keep you within the frame. For me, that's a massive benefit because I like to do videos on myself. I'm no camera person following me around. I actually can't afford it because I haven't blown yet. This should technically help me make videos by myself using my phone. And I think it will do the same. It will be able to help you when you're ready to make your videos using this gimbal. So there are many features that this gimbal has. I've only gone through 4 because I think those are the most applicable to you guys, the people that potentially follow my channel. What I'll do now is go through some of the benefits, not features, so benefits to this gimbal and how you can apply it to your day-to-day. So for the first thing, if you're a vlogger and you've usually had to vlog using your camera, your actual DSLR and a big gimbal, the benefit you now have is that you can use the camera on your phone and get the same smooth shots that you'd get using your camera. You can literally walk around town with this. It's very small, it's very portable. I think you'll be able to get some very quality shots. The second thing is people who would like to record their clients. If you're, for example, someone that does makeup, you could literally put this on the table whilst you're doing your client's makeup and film the whole process. As I said before, it acts as a phone stand, a very smooth phone stand. It has the active track, so you know, if you're doing your client's makeup and your client's moving, the camera will naturally just follow your movement as well. So that could help you get very good quality video for your social media pages. The third use case is the fact that you can take very professional and very consistent product photography. So for example, if you were to own something like a cake business and you wanted to take pictures, very specific pictures of the cake in a specific position, what you can do is set up the gimbal, take a picture, move the cake, put another cake, take another picture, move the cake, put another cake, take another picture. And what that will allow you to do is have very consistent photos for your Instagram feed, for example. It definitely beats holding the phone in your hand and taking the pictures from different angles. It doesn't create much consistency when you do it that way. But when you have a gimbal, you can just set it up. It faces one way, press shoot, take the next picture, press shoot, take the next picture. That's it. So the fourth and final benefit to having this gimbal is the fact that it will up your production value. Obviously, I know most of you guys are not creating Hollywood movies. You're probably just getting this for your Instagram stories for your business maybe, and your Snapchat stories for your business. What this will do is it will make your videos that you upload a lot smoother, and it will just give the next level of professionalism. Is that English? In layman's English, it will make your videos look a lot more professional. It will make all your stories look a lot more professional, and whatever you record will just have that little bit more quality. So that's why I think this gimbal could benefit you. So that was the DJI OSMO Mobile 4, its features and how it can help you improve your photos and videos. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and send the video to one person who you think it might help. Thank you.